Kia ora, what's up, what's going on? Welcome to my channel. We're going to be talking about patents for your IP, in other words your intellectual property. Do you require one or not? Again, this is something that is I would say 50-50. You do, you're damned if you do and you're damned if you don't is what they say, and here's why. Let's get started. So patents, what is that? What is a patent? A patent is a legal document that tells everyone out there that you own this design, that you've created it, that you've invented it. And it also covers you in case someone tries to steal your design or copies your intellectual property to the letter or something similar, and then you can go and sue them, because if they make millions of dollars off your design and you've made nothing, well, it's pretty clear. So we'll start with a couple of pros and cons. So a few pros there. The first one obviously is that when you register your patents, you also register your name or your full name on your invention, which is a cool thing, because you can show family, friends, and you can walk around going, yeah man, I made this thing, it's awesome, as it's a good feeling that you've created something from scratch and you've shared it with the world. And of course the big one, if someone has copied your design, your toy invention, or your invention in general, you can take them to court and seek legal action and sue them, especially if they've made millions of dollars off your design. And this is, and again, especially things coming out of China, this is my own personal experience, they copy anything and everything that they can get their hands on. So it's probably a best bet to actually apply for a patent. Some of the cons are as follows. Once you've registered your patents online or wherever it may be, anyone around the world can view your files and download them. So in other words, they can check out how it was made, what it was made from, and all its details and all its glory. Which comes to another thing about the cons. If the patents expires, anyone around the world can manufacture or create and sell your design, and they don't need your permission. That is the other thing. You will lose out on all that lovely money if you go to that point where you've let it expire. And also, if your design is out there and you haven't actually made any money off it, or you've made a little bit, or you are pretty much strapped for cash, and someone copies your design and you try to sue them and you've got no money to pay for a lawyer, that is the other issue. So you're going to have to, obviously, when you sue someone, you've got to pay for court costs and lawyers and things like that. So that's another thing to think about. So Google has their own patents search or patents library where you can search for any design, and I will show you how to do this. The link is in the description below. So open up Google and type in Google patents or patent. So click on this one here, and then in the search bar type in what you're looking for. So I'm going to type in my toy invention. So this is a patent, and this is what it looks like. You can see here all the different diagrams, different views of the invention, and you can see it's labeled with numbers, and those numbers correspond to a sheet that has what that number is. Like, let's just say if it's a wheel, if it's a handle, if it's the side, or if it's plastic, etc, etc. As you can see there, it was issued in the United States, and it has the date and also my name, and the applicant, which wasn't me, was Excite USA, which is the toy company that I licensed it to. And there goes the date of registration, or when it was filed, and there's the design there. Just keep in mind that I am not the one that registered the design. This was done by the toy company that I had licensed it to, and that was the Excite Toys USA. I think they paid around $15,000 for the patents. You can pay for a provisional patent which lasts 12 months. So this particular design will expire in 2038. And as you scroll down to the bottom, as you can see down there, there is figures listing what each individual part is or what it does. This is mandatory. And because I am from Aotearoa, New Zealand, I am on our New Zealand Patents website. I'll leave a link in the description. So here you can read everything about it, how to go about it, and how to set up your patents if you're going to do it yourself. Again, this is for a provisional patent which only lasts a year. You need to register it every year to keep on top of it until you've completed your full patents, and then you can go ahead with that. So if you were to apply for a provisional patent by yourself, you can just follow these guidelines here, and also the ones that I'd shown you on my patents and how you would set your one up. Everything is pretty much similar. So again, they've got everything here on how to format everything. Its contents, the title, the description, it's all there. And the reason why I'm on this website is because shortly I will be applying for a provisional patent for one of my toy designs that I have spent 3 years developing and designing, as I don't want anyone to copy it because it has taken me so long again to design it. I put so much money into it, although there's a bit more testing to do. But if someone gets a hold of it through some kind of video or photos and they replicate that, and then yeah, it's lost. So this is just to cover my butt for 12 months. So first off, you need to register. You can create a real me. Most of us Kiwis actually have an account. If you went to Polytech, or it's going back a bit too far, but I mean Welltech and things like that, you should have one of these. So on the left hand side, you just go down here to where it says patent, and I'm going to click on this one here. And there you go, you just fill out all your details there. It's pretty straightforward. Just keep in mind that you need to complete your drawings and dimensions and anything else that needs to be done before you upload. And if you scroll down the bottom, you will see the fee, or the registration fee, which is 100 New Zealand dollars, and that is for 12 months. I will be updating this video in the future. I will show you how I registered with the New Zealand Patents Office. I will be applying for a provisional patent for the 12-month period, and I'm doing this because the toy invention again that I'm working on has taken me 3 years, and I've spent a lot of hours and money on it, and I don't want the idea stolen. So I'll keep you guys updated. If you've learnt anything today, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Chat.